My name is Kevin Rambu, and this video is based on how to link Microsoft Access database to MySQL server using the ODBC in Microsoft Access. Now, to achieve this, you need to download MySQL ODBC connector and the version of your choice and WAM server on CNET. So once WAM server is downloaded, you get the option to create a shortcut on your desktop, and you also get the icon on your toolbar below there. Now, if you right click on this icon here, you get the options to change the language, refresh about. If you left click, you get the option to put it online, because presently it is offline. So select put online. Once selected, select it again, and you scroll up to PHP My Admin. So once this page is up, you can select databases. You can create a new database and then select create. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use test. Now I'm going to name the table. Student. Select the number of columns I would like and select go. Now I'm going to name my columns. Now I'm going to set the data type for the column. Now I'm going to leave these two as is, just for this tutorial, but you can always change it to your liking. Like for example, here you can select money, or money. And now I can select the length of the values, so I'll just select about. And here to be safe, same thing here. And I'll put the ID 6 characters and P. I'll say the same thing. I'll scroll along and select save. Good. Now if you look to the left here, you'll see that the student info is created. You can select it and you'll see the information regarding your data. So you have the first name, last name, ID, P. Now I'm just gonna minimize this here. Now, a problem that occurred when I was trying to connect my SQL ODBC connector to Access, I was getting a lot of problems with that, and the reason being is because I had MySQL Server 2008 installed and it was running, so it was not working. So what you need to do is disable some components of the MySQL server. So what you can do is go to SQL configuration tools, SQL server configuration manager, select yes. It is already selected on SQL server services, and you can just right click. Well, I stopped it already, I'm just showing you what you can do. Properties, and you see stop. It's already stopped, so what you usually do is just select stop and it will be stopped. Right, so I'm gonna right now it's running here, so I'm gonna stop this one. So I'm stopping the service. So once you do this, you shouldn't get any problems connecting your MySQL ODBC connector to Access. So I can close this up. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Access in administrative mode. Start name this student. Select create. I'm just replacing, I already have a file named student info, so I'm just replacing that. I don't need this table, so I'll be closing it off. Select external data or ODBC database, link to the data, okay, machine data source, new, system data source, next, scroll down, and there you see my SQL ODBC driver here. Select next. This is the driver that I downloaded, so I'm selecting next. Finish. And name the data source. So I will name it, let's see, link access to my SQL. Don't need to put a description. I'm not putting a password or user. I'm just going to select the database, which is test. I can test it. Connection successful. Select OK. Select OK again. You see this student info, that's what I created in the WAMP server. Select OK. So this is the fields in the table of student info. Again, I created the table named student info. I created my first name, last name, ID fee. If we check here again, student info are the tables I created. Now I select OK. Now you see the word here that's showing that I have a link to the MySQL server. So I'm just going to double click that, and there you have it. You have the first name, the last name, ID fee. So let's head back to MySQL here. First name, last name, ID fee. So thank you for watching my video, and I've just shown you how to link Microsoft Access database to MySQL server using the ODBC in Microsoft Access.